Hello students, welcome to JSM. In this video I am going to explain covalency. Covalency. What is covalency? Number of covalent bonds formed by an atom in a molecule known as what? Covalency. Number of covalent bonds formed by an atom in a molecule known as what? Covalency. In other words, number of unpaired electrons present in ground state and in excited state, also known as what? Covalency. Okay. So first definition is the number of covalent bonds formed by an atom, okay, is known as covalency. Let us discuss examples of covalency. So now water molecule H2O. In H2O, oxygen forming two covalent bonds with hydrogens. So now here it is the covalency of oxygen is 2. Like that, in PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So that is the phosphorus is forming 5 covalent bonds. 5 covalent bonds with 5 chlorine atoms. 5 chlorine atoms. So now this is a covalency. The number of covalent bonds. Formed by an atom. So here it is the covalency of phosphorus is 5. Okay. So now this is according to this definition. In other words, here it is the same. This is the covalency is defined. In other words, what is that? the number of unpaired electrons. Present in ground state or in excited state. Is also known as covalency. The number of unpaired electrons present in ground state or in excited state is known as what? Covalency. Okay, let us see example. So first example I am taking chlorine. Okay, so in chlorine we know that 17 atomic number, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 3s2, 3p5. This is the outermost electronic configuration. So that is 3s2, 3p5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we know that in third energy level availability of d orbital is there. Okay, so this is d orbital. So this is known as what? This is a ground state electronic configuration. How many unpaired electrons are there? So one unpaired electron. So what is the covalency? Covalency is 1. We know that if it is the availability of vacant orbital is there, so compulsory there is a chance toward excitation. So now if we give energy to this is the electron excited into d orbital. Okay, so now here it is what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it is a d orbital. We have 1 electron. So now This is known as what? First excited state electronic configuration. First excited state electronic configuration. So now in this first excited state electronic configuration, how many unpaired? 1, 2, 3. So now here it is, what is the valency? So covalency, here it is, the covalency is 3. Covalency is 3. Okay, so now again here it is same. So this is the electron excited into d orbital. So that is known as what? Second excited state electronic configuration. Okay, so now here it is the second excited state electronic configuration. 1, 2, 3. Here it is the d orbital. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so this is known as what? Second excited state electronic configuration. Second excited state electronic configuration. In this state, what is the covalency? Covalency is 5. Covalency is 5. Okay, so now same. So this is the electron is able to excite into d orbital. D orbital. Okay, so now what is the excitation state electronic configuration? So now here it is only one electron. In p orbital also we have 3 electrons. So now we need is in d orbital 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is known as what? Third excited state electronic configuration. Third excited state electronic configuration. So covalency in third excited state electronic configuration is 7. Okay, so this is according to this second definition, the number of unpaired electrons present in ground state or in excited state. So that is known as what? Covalency.